Are you starting to forget what day it is? Normally I feel the same way about Christmas parties as weddings that I want to get out of. But hey, why not have a little party at home? So in lieu of absent Christmas parties, I'm suggesting that we double down on some cooking evenings this weekend. These workshops are happening in the evening this Saturday and Sunday. That's December 12th and 13th. Saturday, classy act Après. Sunday, cozy up Sunday dinner. Saturday night in December used to be for gatherings of all kinds. My personal favorite is Après, but since my ski town is a ghost town, I suggest we make some very epic Après at home. Don't suffer alone. It's time to drink mulled wine online. Sunday nights around this time of year, we used to crave cozying up to a home-cooked meal with people that we liked being around. So how about we pretend we're not totally sick of the space we live in and make a meal that would make your grandma give you a high five. For all of you who've been asking about how to roast a chicken properly and make bone broth, the Sunday workshop is for you. So gather up those people you're calling your household and let's have a cheers to 2020 being almost over. On Saturday, we'll be having Après East and West. On Sunday, Sunday dinner East and West. Start time, 5 o'clock. Eastern Standard Time, Pacific Standard Time. Cost of the workshops is $35 for each, or $30 each if you sign up for both at once. If you're interested in both, but you can only come to one, no worries. I'm going to send out the recordings, and so you can replay them until you're sick of them. This time around, there is a registration form on my website, tasteandbalance.com. Fill out the registration form. Once you've registered, I'll send you the grocery list and the Zoom links, and we'll be ready to go for this weekend. In all seriousness, if you have any questions at all, feel free to fire me an email. My email is tasteandbalance@gmail.com. If you want to know more about the menu or timing or anything at all, just get in touch. If you can think of any coworkers, friends, family, or random acquaintances you might have been partying with at this time of year, feel free to invite them along. All right, my darlings, I look forward to seeing you this weekend. May the delicious mulled wine be with you.